In this video, I will show you how to download and install Disney Plus on your LG Smart TV. Now, over here, I have a 32-inch LG WebOS Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of LG Smart TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to download and watch Disney Plus on any LG Smart TV you have. Now, first things first, you have to make sure that your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet. And once that is done, you want to head over to the App Store of your LG Smart TV. So from the home of the TV, you want to scroll horizontally from this list of apps over here until you get to this apps icon over here, which is basically the LG WebOS App Store. Go ahead and open it. And once the App Store opens, you want to go ahead and search for the Disney Plus app using the app icon at the top of the TV. In my case, you can literally see the app over here, but assuming you do not find it there, you want to just scroll over to this search icon over here. Go ahead and select it. And then from here, you want to search for Disney Plus. You can literally see the Disney Plus app suggestion over here. So I'll just scroll over to the top and then go ahead and select Disney Plus over here. And as you can see, the Disney Plus app is over here on my LG Smart TV. Now, for those that are unable to find the Disney Plus over here on their LG Smart TV, what you have to note is that the Disney Plus app is actually restricted in some regions on LG Smart TVs. For you to be able to get the app, you have to change the service location of your LG Smart TV. But the process of doing that is not so difficult, and I'm going to show you towards the end of this video. But if you're able to get it, just go ahead and select the app directly from here. Proceed to click on the install button over here, and then just give the TV some few seconds to download and install the app. And now the Disney Plus app has been installed and added to the home of our LG Smart TV. You can go ahead and launch the app directly from here if you want by just clicking on the open button, and as you can see, it runs absolutely well on my TV. Now, for those that are unable to get the Disney Plus app on the App Store of their LG Smart TV, to change the service location of your TV, what you want to do is to head over to the settings icon at the top of the TV over here. And then from here, you just want to come over to the all settings option. Now come over to general, select that option, scroll over to the right and then scroll down until you get to the system settings over here. Now scroll over to system settings and then come over to region, select it, and then from here you want to go ahead and change the service country or the service location of your LG Smart TV to a country that the Disney Plus app is actually available. So in my case, it is actually set to South Africa, which is basically a country where Disney Plus is allowed. So you can go ahead and just select this option, check the set automatically option so that it does not set it automatically to your region, and then select any country you want directly from here. But basically, once you change the service location of your LG Smart TV, it is going to restart itself and you should be able to find the Disney Plus app from the App Store of the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.